Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find playlists created based on your Shazam results. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then scroll down till you find this section saying playlist for you. These are recommended songs based on your Shazam results, and you can have a look at all the playlists that have been created for you by pressing this button down below. So here are all the playlists containing a similar type of songs. So you just simply have to select the one that you prefer, tap on it, and now you are ready to listen to your customized playlist. You can see the songs that your playlist contains right here. You can even have a look at the songs individually or open the playlist on Spotify, tapping on this icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.